Hey everybody, John here, azWHOLEistic and the AZ CBD Studio and Dispensary. Wanted to do another quick video overview regarding capsules and edibles for you. Okay, so we're going to talk briefly about capsules and edibles. And one of the things that we like to instruct people here at the store about is if you are just starting your protocol, it's important to probably consider a tincture or an oil first. It's important to first determine your dose. And it's very easy to use an oil or a tincture to slowly titrate your dose. We've got several videos. We talk to people at the store at great length about how important it is to start fairly low and slowly titrate up your dosage, which means start with a quarter dropper in the morning and a quarter dropper at night. And if you don't feel any benefit from that within 3 days, that's enough time to allow it to build up in the system. Now you're just going to increase the dose by 2 half droppers in the morning and 2 half droppers at night. And you're going to increase the dose slowly but surely until those receptors in the body and the brain start to respond. But once you have determined your milligram strength, let's just say it's 10 milligrams, now you can switch to a capsule or an edible just for convenience. Obviously, you cannot break a capsule in half. You can, but it's going to be a little bit messy. So once you determine your milligram dose, you can then switch to a capsule for convenience. Keep in mind, capsules take longer to assimilate, to get into the bloodstream. Okay, they have to be completely digested and they take a little longer. For most people, the average time is about 30 to 45 minutes. Some people will take 1 capsule per day. Others will take 2 capsules per day. So if your milligram strength is 10 milligrams, you can take 1 5 milligram capsule in the morning, 1 5 milligram capsule at night to equal 10 milligrams. But do yourself a favor. If you choose capsules, be consistent. Don't miss a day. Don't play around with the dosage. Don't stop taking it because it does build up in the bloodstream. And you can get some variation in the consistency of the efficacy of the material. Okay? And then lastly, I want to talk about using CBD as a sleep aid. My personal milligram strength each day is 30 milligrams. We happen to have some 60 milligram candies here in the store, and every now and then when I feel like I'm running low and I need to really get a good night's sleep, I will take a 60 milligram capsule, which is twice my daily dose. So if you double your daily dose, it will act as a sleep aid. Okay, it'll make you really relaxed. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. All right, now we'll talk briefly about creams. Creams are really very simple. It's a topical. We have talked before about some of the tinctures, the full spectrum tinctures, the CBD cannabidiol tinctures can be used as a topical on blisters, spider bites, insect bites, rashes, eczema, psoriasis in small areas. So if you have a large area, okay, you're going to want to get a topical like a cream. You can use the CBD topicals directly on the area that requires relief. If it's sciatica and you have great pain in the lower back or the upper hip flexors, you can rub it right on the area and just simply use as needed. A lot of people call the store and ask us questions like, how much do I use? You use as needed. You can't overdose on CBD. Some people report 2 hours of relief when they use a topical. Some people report 8 hours of relief. Everyone's body is different. The higher the milligram strength in the bottle, the more relief you're going to get. Additionally, CBD will soak into the bloodstream. So just because you put it on topically doesn't necessarily mean it's not going to get into the bloodstream, finding its way through the autonomic system and finding its way to the brain to help relax you. Okay? We can't predict how much is going to get there because it's being used up by the body before it gets to the brain. So that's something we cannot predict. All right? Hopefully that helps you guys make a smart choice on the website today, and we thank you for your business. Bye-bye.